I'm not gonna lie, the transition from working a 9 to 5 job to start making really good money online, whether it's a side hustle or a full-blown business online, is not always straightforward for everyone as you may think. Because there are so many factors that influence this. And some of these factors are, if you're solely depending on your income from your 9 to 5 job, then dedication and determination is very, very important, because you will need to be able to juggle both of these together in order to make sure that you succeed online. Another factor is, if you're a person who is not comfortable on camera and don't want to show your face, for example, running a YouTube channel where you need to share your face or even to use your voice, then this can also become a hinder for some people to start and run a successful business online. And that's why, guys, in today's video, I want to share with you 5 ways how you can make money online anonymously, let's say, because you don't have to show your face and you don't have to use your voice. And with these 5 options that I will share with you guys, you can utilize these as a side hustle, or you can develop them into a full-blown business online. And this could potentially help you to start making thousands of dollars every single month online and to run a successful business. And you simply don't have to show your face. How amazing is that? Now, with that said, let me get into these 5 ways how you can make money online anonymously. Now guys, the first way how to make money online without showing your face or using your voice is by creating a faceless YouTube channel. Guys, there are so many people out there that you don't even know, like myself, who are running faceless YouTube channels and making a lot of money online. And the best part about this is that you don't have to show your face or even use your voice. And if you've heard about YouTube automation, this is one of the best ways how to run a faceless YouTube channel where you don't need to use your face or use your voice. Now I'm going to briefly share with you some ideas how you can go about doing this. Guys, you can create a faceless YouTube channel in whatever niche that you want. But for the sake of this strategy, I'm going to share with you the best niches that you can really tap into, where you can maximize your earning and also to provide value to potential audience. I've put together a list of 15 niches that you can tap into and create faceless YouTube channels around. You can tap into make money online niche, digital marketing, personal finance and investments, educational content, tech, car or gadget niche, lifestyle, fashion and try-on hauls, beauty and makeup, cooking, fitness and bodybuilding, video games, comedy, humor, challenges and pranks, ASMR and oddly satisfying, motivation and spirituality, travel, and the list goes on. These are some of the best niches that you can tap into, and these are just broad niches. So you can easily dive down into different subcategories or different sub-niches within each of these broad niches. Now, how you go about creating a YouTube channel? Now, to create a YouTube channel is easy. You just need an email address, for example, a Gmail. You go to YouTube and you can create a YouTube channel. Now, once you have your YouTube channel created, guys, how you can go about getting the videos created is very easy and very simple. You can either write your script yourself, or if you would like to use the power of AI, you can utilize ChatGPT, Bing AI, or whichever AI tool that you like to help you to write script. You can utilize this to write a script for you. Or if you have some money to invest, you can utilize the power of Fiverr or Upwork to have freelancers do this for you. There are multiple freelancers on Fiverr or Upwork which are offering full service for this. They're offering service to write the script for you, to do the voiceover, and also to create the videos. But I want you to be mindful that some of these services may be overpriced. So you want to either source out specific tasks, or you want to bargain with some of these guys to get the best price that fits your budget, right? Now, if you want to get started for free, it is very easy as well, because you can utilize the power of Pictory or InVideo AI, and these 2 AI tools will create the video for you. For example, InVideo AI, all you have to do is write what the video is about, and InVideo AI will create the title of the video, create the script, create the video, and also add a human-like AI voice to your video. Now, once you do this consistently, build up a following of over 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch hours, you can easily monetize your YouTube channel and you can start earning money from your YouTube channel. Now, the amount of money that you will make will vary in the beginning, especially when you just started out, because your channel could either slowly grow or it can blow up in no time. So I would say with consistently posting every other day, let's say for about 2 months or at least about 20 videos, you should start to see some attraction on your channel, and you should start to see the views rolling in and the subscribers rolling in. But to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours may require a lot more time. So I would say give this about 6 months to 1 year to literally reach the requirements for monetization. Now, once you reach monetization, this will be very motivating and you will constantly post. So within a year, 2 years, you can literally start to make some really good money from your YouTube channel. And I'm talking thousands of dollars every single month that could potentially lead you to quit your 9-to-5 job. I also want to mention as well that while you're waiting for the requirements to meet monetization on YouTube, this should not stop you from earning money on your YouTube channel, because you can literally utilize the power of affiliate marketing. You can literally find products or services to promote on your YouTube channel. And this is a great way how to start making money online way before you reach the requirement of monetization for YouTube. Now guys, the second way how to make money online anonymously without showing your face or using your voice is by creating your own blog. And you can utilize the same niches as I mentioned before with the YouTube channel, and also dive into sub niches as well. Now there are a few ways how you can go about creating articles, right guys? You can create your own blog. There are paid and there are free ways how to create your own blogs online. You can look into this. Obviously, creating your own professional website under your own domain is definitely more appealing than to utilizing a free option online to create websites. But the decision you take will really depend on how you see your business going forward. Now, once you create your blog, you can easily monetize this with the use of Google AdSense. And you can also utilize the power of affiliate marketing by promoting products or services related to the niche that you're in. And if you don't want to run your own blog, you can still make money online. There is a website by the name of Listverse that will pay you $100 for every article that you write. And to learn more on how you can go about getting started with Listverse, check out this video right here where I go into step by step how you can register and start earning money with Listverse by writing articles. Now guys, the third way how you can make money online without showing your face or using your voice is by offering a service on Fiverr. Now, if you head over to Fiverr, you will realize that there is a wide range of services that they're offering. And all you have to do is create your profile as a freelancer and offer whichever service or services that you're interested in. And you offer these services as a gig. Now, if you want to do these tasks on the side, you can perform them for clients or customers who will in need of these services. Or if you want to grow this into a full-blown business, what you can do is do the project management side of this business. And how does this work? You offer your gig for various services that you want to offer. So when a client reaches out to you for a service, all you will do is find different freelancers to do the job for you, and you just deliver the work. And that's all there is to it. And if you would like to take this a notch up and to build this into a full-blown business, you can create your own website, offer your own services, and still utilize freelancers and Fiverr to do the work for you. Now, the fourth way how you can make money online is through selling your photos. If you have a decent smartphone with a decent camera, you can start taking photos and make money online. Now, I'm not a person who takes a lot of photos, but yet I have hundreds of photos in my phone that I've taken on vacations. And I'm sure just like yourself, you can find a lot of photos in your phone that you've taken on vacation, or you simply just saw something that you like to capture, which is interesting for you. And I'm telling you, you can potentially make money from these photos. Now, the website that you can start making money by selling your photos is a website called IM. So I'm sure that you can dig into your gallery and find a few potential gold mines that you can sell and start making some money online today with this strategy. And if you're a photographer, this can potentially be one of those ways how you can make a lot of money online every single month by selling your photos. And the fifth way how to make money online is by utilizing the power of print on demand with the use of Etsy and Printify. So let's take for example photos that you have. And if you head over to Etsy.com and type in photos or pictures and put a space, you can find a wide range of products that you can literally put your prints or pictures on and sell them. How easy is that? And Printify is the service that allows you to upload your design or your pictures, and they will print them on whatever product that you desire and ship them off to your customers. This is a massive business and a very big business that you can literally tap into and make a ton of money online every single month. There are literally people out there who are making 6 figures every single month by utilizing the power of Printify, or let's say print on demand, and making big business out of this. And if you want to be even more unique, you can utilize the power of AI, as there are a ton of AI photo tools out there that you can use to create some really amazing things with your photos. So if you have a unique photo that you'd like to create into a sketch, you can do that. If you want to recreate your photo into a painting, you can also do that. And the list goes on. So what I would advise, if this is the business that you would like to go in, you can simply search for some of those AI tools that will allow you to do various things with your photos. You can try making some very interesting design with these AI tools, and then you can utilize the power of Printify and Etsy to come up with some really nice products so that you can sell on your Etsy store. No guys, these are just 5 of the many ways out there that you can utilize to make money online without showing your face or using your voice. No guys, I really hope that you found some value within this video, and if you do, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe to see much more videos coming out every single week just like this one. See you next time.